wonderful world. But scary things can happen, and where and when they do, Roy will be there for you. When we need him, he's always around to keep us smart, safe, and sound. When the flames and dangers are near, I know that there's no need to fear. Roy will appear. We are learning fire safety from a super awesome teacher. He's strong and he's courageous, and he'll teach us all to be safer. Together we are learning what to do if something's burning. We are learning fire safety. Roy wants us to be safe as we can be.
Microwave safety.
Why the long face? What's going on?
Well, Dad, I feel really bad for my friend. There's this girl that he really likes a lot, but he's pretty sure that she doesn't like him at all.
This is about your friend?
Yes, of course.
Johnny, just so you know, girls like boys who are sweet, just like this ice cream. Oh, delicious.
Hold on, Jin.
Oh, hi, Roy. What is it?
Jin, you can't put foil in the microwave. It'll catch on fire.
Oh, how did I forget? I use the microwave all the time, so I guess I better be more careful.
Jin, are you finished with that?
Huh? Hallie, stop!
Huh? How come?
If you put that foil in the microwave, it could catch on fire.
It could?
Hallie, everybody knows that.
Hey, did you pass the quiz? Yeah, I think I did, but I guess we'll find out. All I keep thinking about is an ice cream sundae.
Huh? Johnny, I love ice cream.
It's good, right? I make great sundaes.
awesome.
Cindy, come with me. I'll make you an epic sundae. Would you rather have chocolate or strawberry?
Well,
Chocolate! Me too! What? I never said you guys could come. You just said you were making sundaes. Yeah, but not for you.
Come on, you guys. It's annoying when you always argue. And I like strawberry.
Oh, great choice. Come on, sundaes for everyone. All right. Hello, Dad.
Oh, hi, kids.
Ta-da! Wow! Jackpot! Stop it! Those are for the sundaes.
Charles and I are gonna go play games then. Call us when they're done. Come on, Charles.
Wait up!
I'll never get why you can't just get along. Huh? Johnny?
Huh?
What are you making with that?
Whipped cream. To make a good sundae, you need homemade whipped cream.
Ah! Are you all right? Would it be better if I held on like this?
Here we go.
Oh.
Is this a dream? Huh?
Johnny?
There was a fly.
Johnny, can Charles and I have a snack?
You can see if there's anything you want in the fridge.
Ah, pizza time. Do you think we should heat it up?
Yeah, and I'll get us some plates.
Wow,
that looks great!
Aw, it belongs in a magazine. What's so funny?
You got a little something right there.
Huh? Right here?
No, I'll get it for you. Fire! Dad! Dad! Over here!
Get out of the house right now! Come on!
Our sundae!
Come on, Johnny!
Our sundae! Fire!
Oh, there's smoke at Johnny's house!
Roy!
Everyone stay put. I'll handle it. all safe.
Thank you, Roy.
You guys, I think we need to talk a little about microwave safety. The first rule, never ever put any kind of metal into the microwave. The microwaves can cause fire when they bounce off the metal. Next, you need to puncture or cut slits in your food before microwaving it. If the built-up steam can't escape, the food can literally explode. And last, loosen the lids on sealed containers to keep them from bursting as well. Simple, right?
Yes, we can do all that.
Mm-hmm.
Aw, our poor Sunday. Cindy and I worked so hard on it.
Yeah, but we had a lot of fun, right? We'll just make it again.
Can we? You're right. That would be really great. All right.
Just don't forget, I like chocolate the best.
Peter, you're never coming over to my house again.
Oh, I see. Only the pretty girl gets the ice cream.